Hi, this is Architect Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Mercedes A-Class. This particular one is a Japanese import, so it's got the Japanese stereo and screen, etc. So what we've done, we've upgraded the screen, which was a small screen, the small section screen, to this, which is a new display by ZZ2, which also gives you Apple CarPlay wirelessly and Android Auto. Also gives you the facility to maintain the factory Mercedes screen. There we are, so that's the Mercedes screen. So you can do all your normal functions that you would do, car settings and stuff, which is a really nice function. If you tap it and then go CarPlay, goes back to CarPlay. So you've got all your CarPlay facilities, your navigation. If I go on to maps, there we are, so we can have your normal maps. So it's Apple Maps, you can use Google, etc. You can always move the banner over to this side as well, which is really nice, give you a full screen. So that's a 10.2 inch screen in this Mercedes. All the steering wheel controls all still work, all goes through the audio, Bluetooth audio streaming as well, so it's a really nice feature. Anyway, if you'd like to have this done in your Mercedes or BMW, in fact, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.